Rudra, good evening, beta. Derivative one part, what I taught, Rudra, do you know, remembered or not? You tell me first. Derivative sections. So in derivative sections, first order derivative. See, first order derivative in that first principles. The principle what we have used for solving the question beta. That related questions must be very important. In 12th, directly differentiation will come. Okay. First principle questions they will not be asking beta. Just 2 or 3 questions for 11th class only is needed. Rather than that, we don't have to put more focus in first principle. But beta, what differentiation we are getting from first principle, that will be needed. Okay. So now if somebody will be Payaja, good evening beta. Good evening Payaja, good evening Rudra. Now look at it. First is first principle. Few typical questions from first principle. One time we will do for exams. After that, some rules I will teach you for 12th beta. Because 12th these rules are very important, and we must be knowing that these rules are there. Okay, let's check this one out. So now one question is there from first principle. Try to solve this question. Y is equal to e to the power 3 log x. Now, beta, what answer you are going to get? Try and solve this question. Try this question. What is the question? Differentiating. You have to differentiate the following function with respect to x. Okay. Use first principle or not. You have to differentiate. So I'm just giving you to differentiate. Don't use first principle. You just differentiate. So how we are going to differentiate till now, from first principle, we learned how to differentiate. Some formula we have learned that if we will differentiate x to the power n with respect to this, it will become n x to the power n minus 1. Understood? So this is the first formula. Second part what we have learned, if we differentiate e to the power x, it will become e to the power x. This is the second one. Can you note down below? But the next formula what we have learned? Third one, differentiation of a to the power x. This we learned, that is it will become a to the power x log base e. This is the third one. After that, fourth one is differentiation of sin x we did, and we got cos x. And differentiation of cos x we did, and we got minus sin x. So these formulas are very important beta, and this formula is exactly going to help you. Understood? So these formulas are going to help you for writing the examinations. Understood? So we are going to solve these questions. Let's start solving the questions. Are you ready for it? Ready beta? Okay. So now one rule I am teaching you. So this rule is very important, and this rule is exactly based on one important factor coming here. So here first part we are going to do. The first part is if u and v will be together. Okay. U is a function and v is a function. U and v are two functions, and these two functions are together. Got it? So u and v are two functions, and these two functions are together. Okay. So u and v are two functions, and these two functions are together. That is y is equal to u into v. Then one time you have to differentiate u and one time you have to differentiate v. Nishika, look here. So first time you have to differentiate. Then this side will become dy by dx. One time you have to leave u and differentiate v. One time you have to leave v and differentiate u. This is the rule. Okay. So if 3 will be there, then what you will do? If 3 will be there, y is equal to u v w. So if 3 will be there, at that case, how you are going to differentiate? So dy by dx, understood. So dy by dx, one time we are going to use u and we will leave this 2. Then we will differentiate, we will leave u and v, we will differentiate w. And then we will use this and we will differentiate v. So that means what? One time we picked u and differentiated, one time we picked w and differentiated, and one time we picked v and differentiated. So this is exactly the differentiation of the product of 3 functions. Understood? This is differentiation of product of 2 functions. Got it? So this is differentiation of product of 2 functions. This is differentiation of product of 3 functions. So these are very, very important part. So I will teach you how to do this. Now look here. We are having some derivative part which we have taken out from first principle. These are the derivative sections, Peter. So now I am giving you some very important points to remember. So like this question is given to you. Y is equal to e to the power 3 log x. Today I am teaching you one small trick. Okay. If you remember this trick means you will be able to solve many questions. What is the trick here is whenever y is equal to e to the power a log x will be there. Okay. Now what you need to do here is this a you keep in power of x. Okay. So it will become y is equal to e to the power log x to the power a. Done. Now beta this part base e, nothing written for log base e. So here when base is same, this value will become the final answer. So it will become x to the power a. It will become x to the power a. You see, exponential and log, they are inverse function of each other. In class 12th, you will understand that exponential and log are inverse function of each other. And because whenever you will do like this a will come in power of x and it will directly become x to the power a. In shortcut, shall we do it? Y is equal to e to the power 5 log x. Then what answer will come? Directly the answer will become x to the power 5. Understood? Note down first. One by one I will explain you. Once you will be knowing this, you will be able to solve the question nicely. Come on, do it, Peter. Can we do it? Done? So now we are going to start this work. So what is the question? Now look here. I am giving you another question. Rishika, now check this one out and say the answer. Y is equal to e to the power 7 log z. Then what will be the answer? Directly, what will be the answer, Payoja? Everyone, please say. It will become what answer, beta? Understood. So this will become z to the power 7. Absolutely correct. It will become z to the power 7. So now look here. Next part, if somebody will be giving you like y is equal to e to the power m log n, then what answer will come? Say, come on, say the answer. उसका देखो नीचे वाले ऊपर आएगा. So here it will become what beta? Directly it will become n to the power n. Y is equal to n to the power n. So these are exactly the steps. N to the power n. Directly y will be equal to n to the power n. This is the way to solve the question. Understood? Now we will go for the next pattern question. Say y is equal to this part is there. Then how directly we will solve? So e to the power log 7x is there. That means y is equal to x to the power 7. Then you only have to differentiate this part. So differentiating this part is dy by dx is equal to d of x to the power 7 by dx. It will become 7x to the power 6. Understood? So after differentiation, the degree will be removed. So it will become 7x to the power 6. So now we are going to solve the next question. Get ready for it. So first we will learn the basic sections. Okay. So exponential is our formula. That exponential to the power log and whatever will be there, it will write the variable in that same intact part. So you need to remember this part. So y is equal to, if somebody will give you x to the power 5x to the power 4 plus 3x square plus 11. Then what is the differentiation of this? Siddharth, good evening. So what is the differentiation of this? This we are not doing by first principle. First principle only formula derivation is there. That part we will not be wasting. Directly we will be solving the question. So here y is equal to this part is there. Then what work we are going to do? We will write dy by dx differentiation of x to the power 4 dx plus 3 differentiation of x square. Constant differentiation is always 0. So differentiation of 11 with respect to x. So this part will become 5 into 4 x cube and there 3 into 2 x plus 0. So 5 fools are 20 x cube plus 6x. I hope anybody got the answer, Rudra. Very good. So this is exactly the way to write the answer. Differentiation will impact your competition exam plus your 12th result. So 100% differentiation, 33 marks calculus is there in CBSE. And you know what? Nobody can say that 33 marks calculus is not going to come in other part of mathematics. So how much you are best in calculus, that much you can lead in mathematics in class 12. This is exactly the window. Now I'm giving you another question. Get ready for solving the question. 5 sine x plus 7 e to the power log x plus a to the power x. Come on, differentiate it. Start differentiating it. Don't use by first principle. Direct differentiation you do. Direct differentiation you apply. This is the most important part, and we will solve this question with these. First, 5 is a constant, its differentiation separately we are not supposed to do. So first what we will do, we will write dy by dx, and then 5 is a constant, differentiation of constant separately is not needed. It will come out, and then it will become sin x dx. 7 is a constant, it will come out. Now what did I taught you? E to the power, Rudra check this one out. E to the power log x is there. I taught you one formula, e to the power log x means it will become directly x. Okay, so here it will become 7x. So differentiation of 7x, which you can see this question here. Differentiation of 7x dx plus differentiation of e to the power x dx. This is most important. Now here, look here. So what did I did? I taught you one important format. E to the power log x means directly x will come. Okay. So we are not going to waste time. Y is equal to 5 sin x plus 7 e to the power x is there. So here how we are going to read? First we resolved it and it came as x. Now dy by dx, this will become 5, sin x will become cos x plus 7 plus a to the power x into e to the power log base e. This is exactly going to be your answer. How this answer came? Because during first principle teaching, I taught you that when you differentiate a to the power x, using first principle, whatever differentiation is there, using first principle, derivations are coming. Remember this. So it will become a to the power x log base e. Okay, Rudra, Payoja, Siddharth, Nishika, can you answer me this question? Now look here, if somebody will give you differentiation of 5 to the power x dx, then what answer will come? Directly differentiate 5 to the power x, then what answer will come? 5 to the power x, what answer will come? 5 to the power x differentiation. What is the answer? So that absolutely correct. So it will become 5 to the power x log base e 5. Okay. Now, if somebody will give you this question, get ready for this question. Yes, you understood. So now if somebody will give you y is equal to a to the power x into log x, then what differentiation you are going to do? Directly you can say that's not the answer. I have just said that Rudra absolutely correct. I taught you one technique. What is the differentiation of log x? We have derived already differentiation of log x. Please remember this part. We have derived this. Differentiation of log x is, look at it. Differentiation of log x is 1 by x. Okay? So differentiation of log x is 1 by x. But here two different functions is there. One is u and one is v. When two different functions are there, what did I taught? You have to differentiate. Then how you are going to differentiate? When two different functions are there? When two different functions are there, the differentiation technique will be, see, this is u and this is v. So differentiating with respect to x. So when you are differentiating with respect to x, what will happen? One time dy by dx equal to, first this u you leave, differentiate v, and then one time you leave v, differentiate b. So dy by dx is equal to a to the power x differentiation of log x, then log x differentiation of a to the power x. Understood? So what is the answer coming here, beta? For this question, check nicely. Log x a to the power x will not be differentiated because this part is inside. So log x differentiation will become 1 by x. Is you understanding? What will be log x integration? Sorry, differentiation. Log x differentiation will become 1 by x. Now next time, beta, log x will be left as it is, and then a to the power x differentiation, and a to the power x differentiation will become a to the power x log base e a. So this will become differentiation when you will be using direct differentiation, not by first principle. Okay, this is not by first principle. I'm giving you another question, just check this one out, how you are going to solve this question. Get ready for this. This is a challenge question for all of you. Y is equal to 5 2, okay, see very nicely, 3 log base 2x. Solve this. You need to differentiate this. Try and differentiate this question with me. Okay, one trick I taught you. That trick I am going to teach you. See, when a very simple technique is there, e to the power log, if 5 is there, then here base is there, x means, look at everyone, Nishika, see, x to the power 5. So this one will become e to the power log base e x to the power 5. So x to the power 5 is there. Done. Now beta here, if instead of e, here e and e were there, e power was there. Very good, Pooja. Super beta. Bless you. So this is exactly the brain I need right now. I need this type of clarity. So where e and e is same, so x to the power 5. Now look here. Three of you see here. Nishika, look here. So if there 3 is there and here 5, log base 3 has to be there. So if 3 is here, this also need to be 3. Understood? And then here x. Then x to the power 5 will go. That means log now, it will have one base value and here b. So this base part, remember, this base part, this 2 has to be same. Then it will become x to the power 5. Directly it will become what, beta? X to the power 5. I hope you might have understood. I hope you might have understood this one. So this is x to the power 5. So here, simple technique, 5 will be as it is. Here 2 is there, base is 2. That means 3 will come, it will become x to the power. Done. And once it will come x to the power 3, once it will come x to the power 3, we only need to differentiate it. Okay. So let's see, we are going to differentiate it. It will become y is equal to 5x to the power 3. It will come dy by dx is equal to 5 x to the power 3 dx. So it will become 5 into 3 x square. Answer will become 15 x square. Understood, Beta? You understood how to solve this question? I hope you really understood, Beta, how to solve these questions. Yes, super, very good. Now, beta, we will do another question. Get ready for solving this question. Question is y is equal to root under x plus 1 by root under x whole square. Will you be able to solve this question? Differentiate it. This will become only beta root under is there. Siddharth, are you there in the group? So here root under x whole square. This whole square means x will come, square and root will cancel, square and root will cancel, plus 2 into root under x into 1 by root under x. So first this and this you cancel. So it will come y is equal to x plus 1 by x plus 2. Now in this situation, first to solve. After that only you try to differentiate. So after solving, when you will try to differentiate, what answer will come? So y is equal to x plus, can I write it as minus 1 by x plus 2 x to the power minus 1, because 1 by x is x to the power minus 1. Now you differentiate dy by dx is equal to differentiation of x plus differentiation of x to the power minus 1 plus 2 differentiation of 2. So differentiation of constant will always become 0. So this part will become 0. Here differentiation of x. See, what is the general formula of differentiation of x to the power n? If this you are knowing this, you will be able to solve the question. It is coming n x to the power n minus 1. Nx to the power n minus 1. I hope you might have understood. Nx to the power n minus 1. So here beta x is there. So what it will become? 1 into x to the power 1 minus 1. Because x is having power 1. For beginners I am teaching. Now here what is the power? Minus 1. So minus 1 will come here. X to the power minus 1 minus 1. Because here minus 1 is there. So here instead of n, minus 1 is there. So minus 1 minus 1. Plus differentiation of constant will become 0. So what is the answer? X to the power. Anything to the power 0 is 1. 1 minus, here x to the power minus 2. So it will become 1 minus 1 by x square. Understood? 1 minus 1 by x square. I want all of you to be best in differentiation, because in class 12 very massive format of differentiation is coming. And once you will be best in differentiation, physics will become very easy to become. Physics part will become very nice. So you need to be very much ready for answering. So can I ask you one typical question? So now look here. Then this two type function is given to you. Y is equal to x plus 1 into x square plus 5 into x square plus 7. So how you are going to differentiate it? Now think, if three factors are given to you, what you are going to do? How you are going to solve this question? I'm not removing anything, I'm just writing in that only. So now try and solve this question. So when, listen, x plus 1, x square plus 5, and x square plus 7 is there. Then how you are going to do? Take this as u, take this as v, and take this as w. What rule I talk? When we will differentiate at that time, u and v will be left as it is, w will be differentiated. Now u and w will be left, v will be differentiated, u and c. v and w will be there, u will be differentiated. You see, two taking, two leaving, one differentiating. Two leaving, one differentiating, two leaving, one differentiating. Okay? So now these are the two. We will leave any u and v will leave. That is x plus 1 and x square plus 5 we will leave and we will only differentiate x square plus 7 dx. This is one part over. Next part beta. Check very nicely. In here, I am going to leave x plus this 2 I am going to leave, we will differentiate this one. So x square plus 5 and first time I differentiated this one and then x square plus 7 and left. I am differentiating x plus 1. Now this time I am leaving x square plus 7 and x plus 1 and this time I am differentiating x square plus 5 dx. So this is exactly u, v, w chain part is there. You need to remember. So what I did it up, first work what I did is, if this is u, this is v and this is w. So first I took u, v, left w. Then I just only took w, then I only took v and I only took u. Understood. So here you see, one time I took x square plus 7 only for differentiation, then I took only x plus 1 and then I only took x square plus 5. Then what answer will come? Check. Then that time we will not be differentiating these two. These two will not be differentiated. What it will become? dy by dx equal to, these two will be as it is written here. See, x plus 1 and x square plus 5. It is written as it is now. Now we are differentiating x square plus 7. Differentiation of x square is 2x and 7 differentiation will become 0. So only 2x left. Next part. Now we are taking this 2 as it is, x square plus 5 and x square plus 7 and we are differentiating this. So it is only coming as 1. So this multiplication will come as 1. Now next part what we will do? We will be writing x square plus 1 plus 7 and then we will write x plus 1 and we will differentiate this part as 2x because 5 differentiation will become 0. So this is the way to write the answer. I hope you might have understood how to go with it. Now it is totally up to you to expand it and solve it. I hope 3 of you understood it very nicely. So this is the most important technique of solving differentiation, UVF method. Understood? So UVW. So if somebody will give you y is equal to log x into e to the power x. Come on, differentiate it better. Here 3 different functions are there. What are the 3 different functions, Nishi? First function is variable x. Another function is log x. Another function is e to the power x. So all the 3 functions are there. Come on, go for it. Try solving this question. Come on, try. First time, y will be left as it is, differentiation of dy by dx. Now we will leave this to x log x, and we will differentiate e to the power x. Okay. Next time, we will leave x e to the power x and differentiate log x. Next time, we will leave e to the power x log x and differentiate e to the power x. Understood? Taking any one and leaving, yes, Rudra. Can I see beta e to the power x? Super. Very good. Super. Absolutely correct. I hope you might have understood here. So here it will become x log x into e to the power x plus here it will become x into e to the power x into log x. Differentiation will become 1 by x, and here we are sorry, this is x only. So one time e to the power x will be left as it is, x will be differentiated. So x differentiation will become 1, it will become e to the power x log x. Now x and x will get cancelled, so we will take e to the power x common. One time it will become x log x plus 1 plus log x. This is becoming the answer. Come on, note down this one. Did you understood this one, Beta? Everybody understood? Come on, check this one out. So one now we will go with u by v method. Okay. So u by v method, how we are solving u by v method? Let's check this one out. We will check u by v method. So when somebody will ask you y is equal to u by v, then these are two different functions. So at the time of differentiation, how you are going to do? dy by dx is equal to v, the denominator part v, differentiation of u minus u, differentiation of v, dx by v square. This is the formula. Understood? So this is v du dx minus u dv dx by v square. So this is exactly the formula we have to use for solving the question. Okay, absolutely correct. Your answer is correct. So here if somebody will give you what is the solving, if you solve like y is equal to x by log x, then how we are going to differentiate it? Come on, try this question please. Y is equal to x by log x. Try this question. Y is equal to x by log x, and how you are going to solve this question? So u and v will be there. So one time it will become u and another time it will become v. Denominator part will become v, numerator part will become u. How to solve this? Check this one out. This will become u and this part will become v. So first what did we learn? dy by dx. First we will write this. After that v dv. What is v? Log x. And then what is u? X. Dx minus, this time you have to leave x. So left x and this time differentiated log x. Okay. And then denominator part will become log x whole square. Leave log x whole square as it is. Don't play with that. Okay. So now dy by dx is equal to X differentiation will become 1 minus x into 1 by x by log x whole square. So this and this will get cancelled. So dy by dx is equal to log x minus 1 by log x whole square. This is the answer. I hope you might have understood. I just super boss. You both have done. Before I could have seen you have removed. Why? Nice. Log x minus 1 by log x. Nishika, did you solve? Very good. So now shall we go for the next one? Siddharth, you solve it up. So this is exactly one format. Shall I give you another question? Now look here. In this one, I am giving you another part. Try this question and try to solve this one. If it is written that x square plus sin x by log x, then what answer you are going to get? Come on, go for it. Please check this one out. Come on, try. This is the question, this is the formula. Try solving with the formula. Right? So what could be the answer there? Check this one out. We will solve this. So this is dy by dx is equal to this log x will be as it is. Okay. Now this part will be differentiated. X to the power 5 plus sin x. Then and then sin x part will be left minus x to the power 5 plus sin x differentiation of log x dx. You saw one part we have written and one part we have differentiated. Understood? So one part we have written this section, differentiated this part, minus this part, differentiated another section. Now here it is coming as log x whole square. Then log x whole square. Siddharth, are you there in the group? Second time I am calling your name. Did you understood? Did you solve? Here it will become what? Log x. This differentiation will become 5x to the power 4. Sin x differentiation will become cos x. Okay. Sin x differentiation will become cos x. minus x to the power 5 plus sin x, and log x will become 1 by x. This is a way to proceed. Absolutely, this part by log x whole square, and that will be equal to dy by dx. So this is exactly the way to solve the question. So dy by dx equal. So this is the way to solve the question. Come on, check this one out. We will go for next part question. Is it done? We'll go for next level question. Differentiate it. Try solving this question, beta. Differentiate y is equal to sin x by cos x plus 1. How we are going to differentiate this one? Go for it. How to solve the question? Solve it. This will become u, and this one will become v. Then how we are going to proceed? dy by dx is equal to v will be as it is sin x differentiation of cos x plus 1 dx minus this time cos x plus 1 we will be and differentiate sin x. Okay, my denominator part will become what? Cos x plus 1 whole square. That's it. So this is the way to proceed the question. Here now sin x. So dy by dx is equal to sin x will be as it is. Cos x differentiation, what did I taught? Minus sin x. One differentiation will become 0. Minus cos x plus 1. Sin x differentiation will become cos x. Okay. Now denominator part is coming as cos x plus 1 whole square. Now what is the next step we are going to do? The next step is dy by dx. Here sin and sin will become minus sin square x. Now with the cos and cos will become minus cos square x. Okay, and then minus cos x. Minus cos x. And here denominator part will become cos x plus 1 whole square. Now here if we will take minus common, it will become sin square x plus cos square x minus cos x by cos x plus 1 whole square. So this part will become 1.
It will become minus 1 minus cos x by cos x plus 1 whole square.
What we will do next? We will take minus common.
It will become 1 plus cos x by cos x plus 1 whole square. Same now, so this and this will get cancelled. Answer will come minus 1 by 1 plus cos x.
We got the answer beta minus 1 by 1 plus cos x. This is the way to solve the question. So definitely this type of questions are very very important for you people. So this question we have done. Let's see. I hope you have understood beta. Okay. Next class will be morning class only because of festival only. B. Okay, I did mistake on what. I wrote this now. B. So it will become minus and this one will become plus. Okay, then here it will become minus. This part differentiation will be minus and this part differentiation will be plus. Okay, check this one out. I just shifted. Plus minus I shifted beta. So minus into minus will become plus. So this one will be plus, plus, plus. So here everything is coming as, if that part is plus means this part is also plus, plus. So here now it is coming as 1 plus, plus. So here answer will come in 1. 1 by 1 plus cos x. Yes, thank you so much, Paraja. I just VDU I did, no? Correct. Correct only. Yeah, this is now V du minus u du. Correct? By b square. So here minus sign and cos will give you minus sign, minus into minus will become plus, the entire section will become plus. Then to cancellation will come. Yes. We are going to keep it till here. Okay. Next class, morning class will be there, and we will be learning some different formula for first derivative, first principle, and then statistics part of the last. Again, then we will start revision. For example, mostly we will start revision, and we will parallelly keep statistics. Conic section revision is needed. Okay. Straight line, conic section, circle before examination revision is needed. I'll not say I'll start. Okay. Bye everyone. Good night, beta.